guys, this is Naveen Amin. Welcome to my channel. Today I will going to speak with you about the 7 B's of marketing or 7 B's of marketing mix. Please follow up my video till the end to know more about this topic. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and write in the comments that you have subscribed to follow up with your comments. What is the 7 B's of marketing mix? Should we use them or not? In this video, I'm going to speak about the 7 B's of marketing mix. The marketing mix is the familiar strategy tool, which can probably known or traditionally used in marketing strategy or setting the marketing strategy. It's composed about 7 B's. Let's speak about each one of them. The 7 B's are product, promotion, place, price, people, process, and physical evidence. Let's speak about each one of them. It was first designed as the 4 B's at the time where business were supporting only products or selling only products, and after introducing the service or providers of the servers, the role of the B's increase, and therefore it becomes 7 B's. How can I use this model, the 7 B's model? Although it is sometimes viewed as dated, we believe that the 4 B's are an essential tool to select their scope, and it's practically useful for small business. For startups especially, reviewing price and revenue models today, using the business model canvas for marketing mix or marketing strategy is a great alternative since it gives you a good structure to follow. Companies can also use the 7 B's model to set objectives, conduct a SWOT analysis, undertake competitive analysis. It is a practical framework to evaluate an existing business and work through the appropriate approaches whilst evaluating the mix element as known by ourselves as the following items. Product or service. How can we develop our product or service? Prices and fees. How can we change our prices model? Place access. What can the distribution options are there for customers to experience our products, online, store, or mobile, extra? Promotion. How can we add or substitute the combination within paid, owned, earned media channels? Physical evidence. How we reassure our customers. Example, impressive buildings, well-trained staff, great websites. Processes. Are there internal process barriers in the way to developing the best customer value? People. Who are our people, and are they skilled or not? Partners. Are we seeking new partners, managing existing partners or not? An example of a company using the 7 B strategy. Take a look at HubSpot as an example, which was founded in 2006. HubSpot now posted about 86,000 total customers in more than 120 countries, comprised of Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and a powerful free CRM. HubSpot added value to customers in every aspect in the 7 B's. What does a successful marketing mix look like? It is a very good question and important question. This is a top-level overview. You would take this into greater detail and ask the following. Product service, integrated tool set for SEO, plugging, social media, website, email, and lead intelligent tools. Prices, fees, subscription-based monthly, software as service model based on number of contacts in database and number of users of the service. Place, access, online, network of partners, country user groups. Promotions, director of speaker of events, webinars, useful guided. They are amplified by SEO and active SEO, PPC, social media advertising like LinkedIn. Physical evidence consists branding across communication. Process, more sales staff are now involved in every conversation. People, investment in online services. Partners, HubSpot looks to form partnership with major media companies such as Facebook, Google+, local partners including Smart Insights, who is collaborating to research in Europe. What to watch for. When using the 7 B's of model to conduct a marketing audit, I look at each of the B's and unwise to ignore an area unless it is completely outside our control. The 9 B's of marketing. Since 2007, there is an introducing of 2 more B's, which is the presentation and the presentations, and also applying the partner's strategic alliance. Comes to end of my video. Please follow up my channel and subscribe my channel and press the bell button to receive more videos. Thank you for watching.